Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the About Phone section, then go to the Backup and Restore, then go to the Google Backups, Backup My Data, enable Turn on Backups, then you have to go back and tap Backup Account, then you have to add your Google Backup account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap Next, then you have to enter your password, tap Next, then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and at last what you'll have to do is to tap Accept here, and tap OK, and after that your device will be ready to the Google Backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.